Hello, this is an AtlasHR tutorial on requesting time off. So there are two ways to get to the time off request screen. I'll show you both really quick. The first is through the menu, so I'm going to click the menu icon here, and in the My Info section, My Time and Time Off, I can click the request option here, and that'll take me to the time off request screen. The much easier option is through the dashboard menu widget called My Accrual Balances. If you don't have this, you can click Edit Mode here and add the My Accrual Balances widget. You can see your time off balances at a glance, which is nice. You can also request time. So I'm going to click the drop down so I can request vacation. So this takes me to the time off request screen, and this is where I would have arrived if I clicked the request option here. So if I had selected the wrong time off type initially by mistake, I can switch that up here to a different type. I can see the days I've accrued and my current available balance, scheduled days, and days pending approval here at a glance. To start my request, I will click the Start Request button. And the request gives me 4 different types of requests. So a full day is pretty self-explanatory. Put in a date and it assumes I want that full day off. Multiple days is just a span of days. So if I was taking a week off, I would just put that date range in there. Partial day bulk means I want maybe a half day, so I just want 4 hours off on a particular day. And then partial day start stop means maybe the same thing. Maybe I want a half day, but maybe I want to put in a specific time, so maybe 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. And I'm going to click Submit Requests. I can put in a note here if I want the individual approving this to see anything in particular about this request. So I'm going to click Submit. And the type of request you use will probably depend on what your employer prefers. So once the approver gets this, you will see the status, and they approve that time, we'll see the status change from new to scheduled, and then this will change from this dotted outline to a solid color, so we know it's been approved. We can also modify this request, so if you realize after the fact that you requested the wrong day, you can click on it, click Modify, and then you can say, I'd rather change this to the 13th, and then click Modify, and that will send that back through to the approver with the new date. Or if you realize that you don't need it at all, you can come in here and click Delete, and that will delete the request completely. So that concludes our AtlasHR time off request tutorial. Thanks.